Ika kesni Menteri Rangba Kajala ukon rot ke sangma, ulalet banyak kynduh ikinong penmi Latyrpad, ngap bat synsar hamau kerwat blok SWKH Hills, da kajing temu ban pynshlur iki brio bakinde baha hakani kekam kaba ai jai ki. Ula ongru bakajing song dor jong kini kimar, ka song ru hakaru kombu rukom song bahaya ki. Hakani ka program la samru iki cek pisa syaki khatsan kenhun jong ki badan benta ban rep bat penmi ikini kimar ki badan kumba shispa prapoh nriengun.
Most importantly, the farmers, or rather I should say all the producer groups who are present out here today to be part of this interactive session that we have. I first of all would like to thank the MEMA as well as the Deputy Commissioner for having organized this very wonderful interactive program that we have. In advance at a very low price. So, we realizing that this problem is there, we decided that we will get these producer groups together, pipes to water the plant. Sometimes they require the cover, like a Latyrpad or something, they need to cover. Sometimes they need to just erect poles. I like to structure these points in a manner so that it will be easy for us to understand. Now it was very interesting to hear loan to use as working capital to buy the product from the farmers and store them. So this IPCS model of these cooperative societies that are there will then be the one step above the producer group. Let me rephrase that. Price is not the problem. Price is not the issue. Price is the goal that we have.